Hi guys, Putin here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your cursor designs. So the one which comes with default with Windows is your white color one, which I'm having now. I've enabled pointer shadows and many other options. So now, how to change that is you have two options. One is you can change the one using the one which comes with Windows, and another one is you can go to your browser and download a cursor from it, and then you can change your cursor designs and save it. So first I'll show you how to change with the one that comes by default with Windows, and then I will show you how you can install from your browser, and then you can change your cursor design. Okay, now open your settings. In your home page you have personalization, and under that you have themes. So in this themes you have mouse cursors. Just open. So you have many other options. You have magnified. This is the white color one. I'll select this. If you click on OK, it changes the cursor, and if you open some app while loading, you can see the symbol. So okay, now I need this. Okay, you have magnified and some other options here. You have this black color one, normal, and black extra large, inverted cursor. That is this somewhat different one. So this is the highlighted one. If I hover over it, it changes the color accordingly. So you can see the part of the cursor which is in the highlighted one is in orange, and the below part is in black. If I move up and down, it changes the color accordingly. Okay, inverted I mean this the one which I showed before is extra large. This is large. This is normal inverted. This standard one, extra large, and this is a standard large. Okay, let it be none. That is the standard one. Now close your settings, and now I'm going to show you how you can install cursor from your browser and upload it here. Okay, open your browser, and you have rw designer.com slash slash gallery. Okay, I'm opening the gallery first, where you get all the icons you require. So you have all the icons here in your gallery. Software is nothing but this tab. You have all the apps to install so that you can create your own cursor. So this is cursor editor, this icon editor, this is photos. You can edit photos there, and this is paint. So I have many other desktop tools: online cursor creator, icon converter, icon compressor, icon shortcut maker, favicon creator, many other apps. So you can use these. You also have an app called change cursors. So now this is help. You can get help. This is a forum. So this is software support, graphics design using graphics, non-English, and many other topics you have. And then these are the people. User recently online and user active in last week. The people who have signed in shows. Last week these many users were opening this app. So you have recent comments here. You can also type your own comment here. As you have not signed in, it gives your name as anonymous. You can sign in here, login or register. If you click on register, you can give your email and password and remember me on this computer so that you'll remember whenever you sign in. And only that, let's jump into our gallery where you get all the icons. You have many other options here, some no internet demo cursors which you get in Google Chrome while you have no internet. This is 3D Mac cursors, it looks good. Hexagonal cursors and random cursors and many other cursors you have. So now I'll go to the search area and type cursor highlights. So under cursor highlights I get this good cursor. So you can read the comments for this one. Okay, now you can install. This is just an ad, no need to click here. Actually that's not the install icon. Here you have this save icon here, that is called, that's the download in this app. If you want to download all these four, you can just click on this one, 11.1 KB file. Just click on this one to download the one file. Now okay, I'll just click on this one. This is enough for me. Okay, now then you can just close your browser windows. Okay, just close your app. Now again open your settings. Okay, click on personalize and then go to themes. Mouse cursors. I'll show you how you can change. Here you have some options, but before that we need to do one thing. One thing is pending, that is you just need to open your file explorer, let it be there, open. Okay, here I have all my recent files and frequent folders. So you have to go to downloads and you get your regular here. So here I click on cut and go to your local disk C where all your Windows files are saved, programming files are saved, and open Windows folder. Under that you have cursors. So now I'll just paste it, replace. Actually last time I installed it, I think. You need to provide administrator permission to access this folder. You can read the properties of this cursor. You have options, many other options. You have these many cursors, you can change within these anything you want. But before that I need to change it, so I'll just close our file explorer and click on browse. Here you have your regular one which I have installed now. Scroll down. Yeah, I got my regular. This one. This is a blue color. I just installed yellow now, so I'll just use it. Now click on apply. So you can see a yellow colored highlight under my cursor. You have many other tricks here. You can select the pointer speed. If I reduce it, oh my god, it's very slow. I need to push a lot to move it. Okay, no need. Just come back. I like to keep it in full speed, so it moves like this. Okay, this is threads. Display threads. It'll be like cursors following this main one. So I think I can't record this one, so I'll just keep it as long. You just try it. My screen recorder is not recording that option, I think. So anyway, so you can hide cursor while typing and show location of the pointer when press Control key. So if you press Control key, I think you could see this round around my cursor. So if you have not highlighted your cursor and just searching for your instead of searching for your cursor on your screen, you can just click on this Control key so that you can easily find out your cursor. So I don't need to change anything in this tab. Now the one I like is I have already installed it. I'll show you. It's here. 1 minute. I'll just just read normal. I click on open and apply. So it look good. So same like this we have for everything here. I'll just install the I have already installed it. I'll just apply it by clicking on browse, and you have all the options here. So I have help select here. I'll just click on OK. Okay, sorry, I just changed this one by mistake. So open and this one, click on this one, and now go down and click on help select. Okay, just don't forget to change the cursor before you select, or else you will be changing the same cursor. Okay, working in background. I have this here. Now BC. Okay, go down. BC is here. BC. Okay, now precision select. It's the plus icon like symbol. I have this. Now click on this text. Scroll down again. Text select. I got it. Do the same thing for every cursor. One thing before we complete that, in diagonal resize and some other things like that. So diagonal resize one is the one which starts from the left to right diagonal, and the right to left diagonals. So don't keep it wrong. So instead of diagonal resize 1, you don't keep it 2, so that it will be a confusion for you. So this is the 1 and this is 2. Okay, right, I'll just complete it. Okay, I have completed everything. Instead I left these 2 because I don't use it often. It doesn't show me often, and I also don't have the cursors of this design for this, so I don't need to confuse it, so I just left it. So here also you can keep pointer shadow. I'll just keep all these to default, and number of rows you can scroll down in one scroll. All the details are available. You can just change it. Primary and secondary button. So primary button will be your right or left. You can select it. Okay, if I apply, I have to click on the right to select. See, I am clicking on left, but it's not selecting. So now I click on right. Until you apply, it will not change. Okay. So one thing I forgot to say is, so how fast you have to double click to open your any app or folder. So if I click on slow, 1 2, it will open. This is very slow, but it's opening still. If I click on fast, and apply. So I have to click very fast to. So if I click like it's in slow, it's showing rename as I clicked on anything. So this time also I click fast, but still it's not opening as it should be very fast. So I'll reduce it 2 points so that it will be easy for me. Then I click on apply and OK. So that's how you change your cursor designs uh, with the one which comes with Windows and the one which is installed from the web. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you now know how you can change your cursor designs, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you need to inform your friends about this, how to change the cursors, please share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get latest updates on new videos. So thank you all. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next video. Thank you.